I want to show you today my spring ephemera pack. So for this one I used a vintage music paper to make the little folder, and there is a pocket in the front, and inside there are two pockets inside the folder, and it's full of pretty little things. Let me show you. There is a little envelope with some vintage fabric that I decorated. I made handmade fabric ribbon. I decorated the folder with some vintage pieces, and I stitched it, and almost all my ephemera I stitched around so you can see. And there's a tag front and back. There is a small glassine pocket with flower and birds images, very cute. There are two of my nature journaling cards, this cute little bird, and I made a collage in the back. There is a mini booklet with different paper, and also in this bag I'm including a larger little notebook, little book with pages, tea-dye paper, some paper that I splashed paint around. So you can decorate the front with the images and the ribbon, or you can use anything else that you want. And this pocket, I have another tag. And for this package I used mostly vintage paper and images cut out from vintage books. I used vintage fabric. I used some washi tape to give little details, and some newer paper also, scrapbook paper. And there's a little pocket here. There is a journaling card. You can, I don't know if this one fits inside this pocket. And there also a page pocket that I call, and I made a pocket out of vintage fabric, and you can have your journaling card inside, or you can store anything else, picture or anything else. And I made a collage in the back. There's place for you to write, and you can use it as a floating pocket in your journal, inside your journal. You don't need to glue inside the page. And there also an envelope that I decorated, and a tall journaling card. I used fabric and vintage book images, and the folder, and also there are at least 5 book pages from vintage books, and a doily. I'm including a doily. So this little pack is full with beautiful images and beautiful ephemera that I made for you to use to decorate your journals, or to give as a gift, or for snail mail, happy mail, and I wanted to show you. So thank you so much. Bye.